First, let's start from scratch by importing our video into the timeline in DaVinci Resolve. Go to the Edit page. From the top, select the Effects tab, then drag your text above the video on the timeline. Let's make it larger. While holding the Alt key, click and drag your video above the text. This will duplicate it to a new track. Select the duplicated video clip, then go to the Fusion page. Press Ctrl plus space, type in Magic Mask, then press Add. A water dropper tool will appear. Use it to select the moving object you want to be above your text. Select the middle tracking button, then wait for it to finish editing all the frames. Go back to the Edit page. Let's watch the results. All done. Please subscribe.